The trouble is with having an old van, there's always something to do. For the MOT, it was a new spring and a ball joint. And now it's time to change the cam belt. So I better get on with it. Taken the grill off, and now I need to disconnect the radiator hoses and drain as much of the fluid as I can into the bucket. These suckers are always tight. Got the bucket. Not too bad, I usually do a lot worse than that. Right, this time I've made this little bit of kit up to hold the fan. Last time I actually put the pump on without taking the radiator out and the fan off. I have no idea how I managed that, but I did do it. So the idea is, these holes here hook over holes like so, and then you want a 32mm spanner, and you should be able to just spin that off. So it's just a normal right-handed thread. In the end I had to persuade it with this. No wonder I left it on the last time. Now all I need to do to get at the timing belt is slacken off the steering pump, slacken off the alternator, pull the belts off, remove this pulley here, a few bolts there, take that off, then we'll be able to see the timing belt. Well, the timing cover's off, and you can see the water pump I put on last year, year before. Still looks brand new, look at that. Right, and there we have it. So I need 9mm in there, 8mm in there, and a 13mm in the crank. Most people use drill bits, so that just lines everything up so it doesn't go out of timing. A good reference is the pump is just off 12 o'clock. So now I'm just going to turn it round on the crank and then line them up. The 13mm drill bit goes just underneath the diesel filter and locates in the flywheel on the crank. Well, got the new belt on, replace the tensioner. So when you've got your new belt on, just make sure you've got the direction right on the belt. All that's left now is to put it back together. This is just a guide. You should really use the manual for torque settings and belt direction. You'll know if the belt's too tight, it'll sound like the supercharger on Mad Max being switched on. All I've got left to make something out of this time is the bearing out of the tension wheel. I've still got the spring and the ball joint from the MOT. I've already used the nut on the extension on the pneumatic ram on the robot. If you get time, check out Robot 09 Part 3. Right, I suppose I better show you the rest of the van now.